Imagine if we could turn plastic waste into painkillers. Sounds incredible, right? Well, researchers at the University of Edinburgh have done just that. They've discovered a common bacterium that can transform plastic into paracetamol, a widely used painkiller. Let's first explore how paracetamol is typically produced. Most paracetamol is made in pharmaceutical plants. Here, base chemicals come from petroleum products, which are fossil fuels. This process uses a lot of energy, primarily sourced from burning coal and oil. Consequently, paracetamol production contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. Now, let's look at the global plastic pollution crisis. A significant contributor to this issue is polyethylene terephthalate, or PET. It's commonly found in beverage bottles and generates over 350 million tons of waste each year. This waste harms the environment, with much of it ending up in landfills and oceans, forming plastic islands. What if we could recycle PET? The innovation begins with a harmless bacterium. Scientists from the Wallace Lab at the University of Edinburgh genetically modified Escherichia coli. This bacterium can convert terephthalic acid, derived from PT, into paracetamol's active ingredient. Using a fermentation process similar to brewing beer, they accelerated the conversion of PT waste into paracetamol in under 24 hours. This method operates at room temperature and emits zero carbon. This breakthrough indicates that sustainable drug production can be achieved. Currently, commercial-scale production is still in the works. However, results revealed that approximately 92% of the product generated from the interaction between terephthalic acid and genetically engineered E. coli is paracetamol. Professor Stephen Wallace, who led the study, noted that PET plastic can be transformed into valuable new products. This Edinburgh innovation demonstrates how traditional chemistry can merge with synthetic biology. By building microbial factories, we can produce sustainable chemicals. This approach helps reduce waste, cut emissions, and lessen our reliance on fossil fuels. The research has caught the attention of a major biopharmaceutical company aiming to harness this technology for global solutions. Engineering biology has immense potential. It can disrupt fossil fuel dependency, establish a circular economy, and develop sustainable chemicals and materials. In summary, the University of Edinburgh has revealed how we can transform plastic waste into paracetamol. By using engineered bacteria, we are moving towards sustainable drug production with zero carbon emissions. This innovative approach tackles the global plastic crisis while paving the way for a better future. In addition to paracetamol, plastics can actually be transformed into a wide range of new products. Mechanical recycling can convert plastics into new bottles and jackets, while chemical recycling processes can turn plastics into oils and other useful chemicals. Furthermore, plastics can be burned in incinerators or converted into fuel for diesel engines, providing alternative energy sources. So what comes next? Share your thoughts in the comment section about what plastics could become in the future. Stay curious. Subscribe for more fascinating science and health discoveries.